In this video, I'll show you how to use Notability for taking notes for your research. The first thing I would do in Notability that's really nice is to make a folder for all of your research notes. So you're going to press the plus, create subject, research, project. Okay, press done. That way we can keep all of our notes about our research in one folder so they don't go missing or get mixed up with other files. Okay, then you're going to create a new note for every note card. Okay, so I'm going to double click here to change the title. Remember, every note card needs to have the heading as one of your research questions. So if I'm researching aardvarks, maybe one of my research questions is, what do aardvarks look like? Again, I'm going to need 3 note cards for this. So for this one, I'm going to number it number 1. Press done. Okay. Then, of course, you have the option in Notability to write or type. I probably would type to keep it neater. So after I had read that source, I can pull out the fact fragments that answer the question, what do aardvarks look like? So if you don't know how to do bullet points in Notability, it's right here on the right side. And then you can choose bullet points, numbers. I just want regular bullet points. So a couple of facts I know from this article about what aardvarks look like is that they look like grayish pigs. If I press return, another bullet point will pop up. They have rabbit ears and they have sticky tongues. Okay, so I could put a good amount of information in this note, and then when I'm ready, I can make a new note as a new note card. So I could make my second note card that answers, what do aardvarks look like? This is number 2. And then, of course, I can add a text box with some bullet points, with other information I find from other sources. Of course, you can change the font, you can change the color if it helps you stay organized somehow. But the nice thing about this is when I'm all done, I can see all of my note cards with the questions, headings, and the numbers all in one spot. A couple other things that are nice about using Notability is that if I was taking notes on, this is an article, but let's say it was a website, there is an option, if you press plus, to insert media. And let's say this is from a website. If I click on insert web clip and I have that website copied, if I click in here and paste that website, press done. Let's see if this works. Where did it go? Let's try that again. Maybe I have to press go first. Okay, so here's an article I found about aardvarks. So once you have this pasted, go ahead and press done. And now it's working. So it actually will paste the entire website in here if you're taking notes on a website. So at first glance, it's kind of small and you can't really see it, but the nice thing is if I paste that website here and let's say I come back to this note and I realize, oh, I didn't really take enough notes. I think there was more information in there that I could have taken notes about. If you select this web clip and you hit browser, you can get back into it. So this is really a really nice perk of using Notability is that if you are taking notes from a website, if you paste the web clip in there, you can get back to it very easily later on if you need to. And that is how you use Notability for note-taking.